Welcome back to Broken Peepers Art. My name is Roxy. Today I'm going to show you something that you can do. This is a landscape waterscape thing, and you'll start with a piece of paper and some watercolor paint. Get that paper wet. Use a spray bottle, a clean brush, a paper towel, or spit on it. I don't care. Just get the paper nice and wet all over. Pick a color for your sky and start painting it in at the top and the bottom, and let it bleed. And you'll have to let it dry fully. You can do that. Take a minute to pet the cat. Take a minute to remove the cat from the painting. Now paint in some land. And now paint in a rock. And a horizon line. This is a lake, not an ocean. Now paint in some trees. Some light colored trees because they are in the distance. And now some more land. You should know how to do that by now. And some trees on that land. And now that those first trees are dry, you can paint in some darker trees. Add another layer of darkness to the land, and then mirror those trees in the water below. Now do the same on the other land. And now we'll just toss in some ripple lines in the water. And darken everything up as needed. And optionally add in a sunburst in the sky. If you do that, don't forget to mirror it in the water below. And there's a painting that you can do.